Hello everyone! Welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. Momos originating from Tibet is a very popular street food in North India. These are also called dumplings or dimsum and is a favorite food among kids and adults too. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make vegetable momos. Let's begin by making the dough. Take all-purpose flour, salt to taste, little oil, give it a mix, and now add little water and combine to make a semi-stiff dough. Now knead it for about 4 to 5 minutes, coat it with oil, cover it with a damp kitchen towel. Allow this dough to rest and now we will make our vegetable stuffing. Add oil, next chop ginger and garlic. Saute it for a minute. Next, white of spring onion, French beans and carrots. All should be very finely chopped. Saute it for a minute at high flame. Next goes in cabbage, capsicum. Mix it. Just stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't overcook it as it will be cooked while the momos are steaming. Let's season it with salt, pepper powder, some chili flakes, little soya sauce and vinegar. Lastly, spring onion greens. Give everything a good mix and switch off the flame. Allow this mixture to cool for 5 minutes and then we will shape our momos. Divide the dough into small portions. Using some dry flour, let's roll it into a thin round sheet. I have put little oil on other portions so that it doesn't dry. Try to roll and make the edges thin compared to the center for good momos. Add a tablespoon of the stuffing at the center. Hold one edge with your hands and start making pleats like this on half of the circle. If it doesn't stick, try applying little water on the edges. And then bring the other half and seal it like so. Shaping the momos might look a bit difficult, but it's a matter of practice. If you follow the steps correctly, you won't go wrong with this recipe. Let's see another way of shaping it. This is quite easy. Pinch the center and seal it nicely. This is similar to the first one. Now bring the ends together and seal the top. I have shown you different ways of making momos. Choose whichever is easy for you. All taste good. Now time to steam the momos. If you don't have steamer, then you can also cook it in idli cooker. I have some water boiling here. Line it with the cabbage leaf. This prevents the dumplings from sticking. And then place the momos. Cover it and allow to steam for 15 minutes at medium flame. Let's check it. These look so yummy. You can see it has got a glossy crust. Our momos is ready to be served with a chutney. We try to keep the stuffing mild as the momos chutney is usually hot and spicy. I like to serve it in the steamer itself. Do give this recipe a try and let me know your experience in the comment section. Soft dumplings with spicy sauce taste just fantastic. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay and please don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.